If you've ever opened up a compartment in your RV and then just immediately closed it because you didn't know what you were doing, welcome, you're among friends. Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm the Event Content Specialist here at the Lippert Technical Institute. RV Owner School is designed to help you understand your rig on a deeper level. How it works, how to maintain it, and what to do when something needs attention. Our instructors break down the technical side of your Lippert products in a clear and practical way so you can feel confident and capable every time you hit the road. You'll also be a part of a community of RV owners who learn together, share experience, and support one another along the way. In this video, we'll walk you through how to sign up for our events and highlight a few important details to keep in mind as you register. To get started with registration, you'll begin with your main ticket. Every person who plans to attend classes must purchase one. With your main ticket, you'll receive 3 days of hands-on technical training covering a wide variety of Lippert products, along with a flexible class schedule that allows you to create a personalized learning experience. You'll also enjoy a welcome event the night before classes begin, lunch each day of training, Lippert swag. You'll also have the option to purchase add-ons as well, including +1 packages for those who don't want to attend classes but still want in on the fun, dinner dates, and a one-on-one coach walkthrough with a Lippert instructor. During registration, you'll be able to choose the sessions you'd like to attend. Each topic includes a description of what you can expect, and we've also put together a few tips to help you identify some of our most common products, so making your selections for classes is even easier. Lippert offers several types of slide-outs. A Schwintek slide-outs has S-curves on the racks mounted to the side of the slide box. A slim rack has a slimmer gear rack than the Schwintek and is also found on the side of the slide, but it floats rather than attaching directly. A through frame slide-out goes through the frame and is driven from below, while an above floor slide-out has racks attached to the bottom of the box with the drive mechanism mounted to the floor. If your slide uses cables, it is not a Lippert system. For leveling systems, if you have a travel trailer with a Lippert automatic leveling system, you have ground control. If you have a fifth wheel with a Lippert automatic electric leveling system, you also have ground control, and your front jacks will reflect that design. If your fifth wheel uses a hydraulic leveling system, you will either have a level up system or a Titan system, each with distinct front jack designs. And if you own a motorized class A, B, or C, you'll want to sign up for a motorized leveling class. If your RV has a Lippert axle, the tag will be located in a specific spot, and if it resembles any of the examples we show or includes the Lippert name, you have a Lippert axle. Even if you don't, you may still enjoy the axle class for general knowledge, including packing your bearings and suspension or braking upgrades. Lippert also owns Solera and Girard awnings. Girard awnings have a label on the top right side, while Solera awnings feature a curved head. It's important to note that our team cannot identify which Lippert components are in your specific unit, as manufacturers may use different systems and parts for the same make, model, and year depending on availability. Before you arrive at RV Owner School, there are a few helpful things to remember. All tools needed for class will be provided, so there's no need to bring your own. Plan to dress in clothing you don't mind getting a little dirty, since many of our sessions are hands-on. And there's no need to bring your RV. We have everything set up on site to give you the full learning experience without requiring your unit. We hope this overview gives you a clear and confident start as you prepare for RV Owner School. Our team is excited to welcome you and help you get the most out of your Lippert products. Whether you're joining us to sharpen your technical skills, better understand your RV, or simply connect with other owners, we're grateful to be a part of your journey.